Hello, Super Writers. Welcome to your writing job for today. Our target skill for today is I can use adjectives to describe taste, smell, sound, and texture. This is a tool that we are adding to our writing toolkit, so open up that toolkit and add these adjectives today. An adjective is a describing word that describes a noun, like sweet, round, big, green, hot, and sad. We can use our 5 senses to describe. For example, in this sentence, the rough kite string scratches my hands. Do you spot the adjective in this sentence? The rough kite string scratches my hand. Is this adjective describing touch? Is it describing sound? Is it describing taste? Or is it describing smell? This adjective is describing touch or texture, the rough kite string. I had salty pretzels for a snack. I had salty pretzels for a snack. Do you spy the describing word in this sentence? I had salty pretzels for a snack. What kind of adjective is this word? This is describing taste, the salty pretzels. What about in this sentence? Does the milk smell sour? Does the milk smell sour? There's a clue word in this sentence. We are using our sense of smell to ask if the milk smells sour. Sour. The kite landed with a quiet bump. The kite landed with a quiet bump. Do you spy the adjective or the describing word in this sentence? Quiet is the describing word. What sense are we using to describe? We are using sound to describe what kind of bump? A quiet bump. The grass in the meadow felt soft. The grass in the meadow felt soft. What sense are we using to describe? We are using our sense of touch or texture to describe the meadow as soft. All right, if I were to describe an object to you using different types of adjectives, would you be able to guess my object? Let's see. When I feel this object, it feels soft and cold. When I listen to this object, I do not hear a thing. But when I eat this object, I make the sound yum. When I taste this object, it tastes sweet and creamy. When I smell this object, it smells like vanilla. What do you think my object is? It's a vanilla ice cream cone, of course. Now, boys and girls, it's your turn to use different types of adjectives to describe an object. So your job is to find an object nearby. For me, I have an orange here. I'm going to create my organizer by folding and cutting flaps. Then you are going to write sentences to describe your object using each sense. For example, I look at my orange and I said, I see an orange sphere. An orange sphere. What would I hear if I listened to my orange? What would I taste if I ate my orange? What would I smell? And what do I feel when I touch my orange? Use your 5 senses and an object of your choice. I cannot wait to read your high 5 sentences. Have fun, super writers!